So I am in Nissan Altima. Now, I'm starting to hate Nissan for many reasons. A, whoever's designing these things should be absolutely dragged out in the street and beat up. And I'm trying to do the cabin filter just to show you how easy it is. Well, it's not that easy. So, it'd probably be easier if you just leave this on and pull these 5 screws out. And I'm not even joking you. There's 3 here, and another one here, and another one over here somewhere. Where are you? Focus. Let me get a light. Let me get a light shining. There we go. See it? There's a screw in there, right under here. Now, it's right there. Why I say that is because of this. This is easy to get to and pull out. Whoop-de-doo. But this, you have to pull up, and you see that hook right there? Okay. Now, for you to get the leverage to drop this glove box down, you have to get this one out as well. So as you lift this one to get the hook out, look what happens. This one goes back in, and this one will pop back out. Now, how stupid is that? So instead of you sitting here struggling, and I'm not even joking you, I'm sitting here struggling for no reason. I did this with both hands, by the way. Okay, so as you try to get both of them in, now I don't know how strong you are, and most people are not that strong. So if you want to get both of them at the same time, you have to push up and push in at the same time. Now, you do have to be pretty strong to do this. So, why fight? Okay, I'm going to show you can do it. But there's no reason to, because that's not how you get the cabin filter out anyway. You have to drop these screws. So, apparently, again with Nissan, why? I guess that's why they made this so hard for you to do. So they said, hey, stupid, it's not how you do a cabin filter. So, I'm going to cut this up and show you that that is not how you remove the cabin filter. But you can remove the glove box. And let me show you how. So with all 5 screws out, this one came up from here. You see? Another one over there. And the 3 behind here. Don't forget to pull this door off, because this door hooks into that part of the dash. So, you can be careful and grab from this little tab down here, which is what I did. You see, it's not really a locking mechanism, it's more of a guide. And then pull the rest of it out. Or, you can use something like this. Get in between the dash. And then, there you go. So that's how you remove the glove box and get to the cabin filter. Now, why they do this? So you have to go to the dealership. But this is what you're paying me for. Look at this. Now this thing looks disgustingly disgusting. Yeah, not that bad. But there's our part number. Yes, it is. So let's put this right back and pretend that we saved so much money, and you can thank me with more money donations so I can keep doing this for you guys. So put the door back, locks in this way, locks in that way. Now, do I have to show you how to put the glove box back? You're the one who took it out. Oh look, someone already broke this on. Ha! That's funny. Someone already broke this. They were probably so angry. This is how you put the. Look at this. It's broken. No. But definitely. I don't know. Let's see. I don't want you to break it. So let's see what this person did. It wasn't me. Yeah, this thing's broken. That's hilarious. Is it? Or do you have to push really hard? Look at this. No. You have to push really hard. You have to align it enough, and then push it. Locks into place. So there you go. Now that you had a 15-minute struggle and try to save yourself $100, I'm going to say like it, don't like it, share, don't share, subscribe, don't subscribe. Thanks for watching.